Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Gourdy from Dandy's World. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off at the top and let's draw the shape of the head. Let's draw a bump across in the center. And then another curve out on each side. Now from each end, let's angle it back in and down. And then two angles up in the center, meeting at a point. Now let's hop back out to the sides and let's draw a curve out and bring it in underneath. And then close off the head with a curve across at the bottom. Now that we have the shape of the head, let's hop in and let's draw the face. Let's start by drawing two large ovals for the eyes. And then another large oval inside each one towards the center. And now let's color the rest of the eyes in black. Now under the eyes, let's hop down and draw the mouth. Let's start with a small curve in the center, and then a V-shaped point down on each side. And then one more small curve up on the ends. And that's it for the face. Now let's hop on top of the head and we're going to draw the stem. Let's draw two curves up and over to the left side. And close it off at the top. Now on the bottom right, let's draw a bump up and a larger one next to it and back in. And then let's add two more bumps underneath to close it off like this. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop underneath and draw the body. Underneath, let's draw two curves down. And then a curve across the bottom. Next, on both sides, let's draw the arms. Let's draw two angles down and out on each side. Now at the ends, let's hop into the middle and let's draw a V-shaped point up. And then one on each side like this. Now to add the hands, let's draw a large curve down and back up. Now underneath on the inside, let's draw a curve down and up for the first finger. Then let's hop out and let's draw one curving in and back out. And then two more next to it. And that's it for the arms and hands. Now let's move back in underneath and draw the legs. Underneath the body, let's draw two angles down in the center. Now top out and let's draw another set that's a little bit shorter. Then let's angle it out. And curve it back around for each foot. And that's it for the main part of the body. Lastly, let's add the tail. On the bottom right of the body here, let's draw 2 curves over to the hand. Now let's move over on top of the hand and let's draw a curve up and back down. And the same thing inside. Now on the right side, let's continue the tail by curving it up with 2 curves. And lastly, on the end here, let's draw a leaf shape. Let's draw a curve up and bring it back down. And then let's add 1 curve up inside in the center. And that's it for Gourdy. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!